to the Strafford Station Apartments, first floor, 1C. We'll go inside and take a look. Okay, first thing, you come into a hall closet, perfect for your coats, maybe even some cleaning supplies. It's large, has a nice shelf. And then this is the living space, the living room, which has a giant picture window, faces the courtyard. It's very nice. The actual total square footage of this apartment is 730 square feet. So you can see you can fit your couch, TVs, a lot of furniture. And when the sun is out, it is actually very bright in here. Okay, and then walking over to this area is the dining area, which has a nice bright light. You can put your dining room table. And then we have a thermostat which regulates each individual apartment because we have central air and heat, so that's available. And then right here next to the dining area, you have the kitchen. We have a lot, as you can see, a lot of counter space for cooking and everything. Gas stove, microwave, dishwasher, and we call this chef inspired, as you could reach, everything's in reach for you. Okay, so we'll continue along and we'll head into this area. So right here we have a linen closet for your linens. And right next to that is the bathroom, and it's very bright and white, clean, nice tile floor. And then on the other side of that, we have another closet, another hall closet for extra clothing. So there you go. And then right behind is the one bedroom. It's a one-bedroom, first floor apartment. This one actually has some bushes out front for a little privacy. It's a nice, spacious apartment again, and then you have a very large closet for all your belongings. And that is it. So just think of this as your new home.